the projector that works against sunlight and wins. ViewSonic LS741HD Review.
Ever felt like your projector is secretly plotting against you, fading in bright rooms, demanding endless lamp swaps, and turning setup into a wrestling match? It's exhausting, right? That fuzzy frustration when your big idea gets lost in the glow? Sound familiar? Drop a comment with your worst projector horror story, and let's laugh it off together. You're not alone in this dim-lit drama.
Picture this. Deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress piling up as your screen washes out under office lights, and burnout creeping in from yet another quick fix that eats your weekend. Ugh, the chaos of unreliable tech in high-stakes moments. But imagine reclaiming that control, slipping past the hassle without inviting more madness. What if one swap could flip the script on your daily grind? Enter the ViewSonic LS741HD, your high-brightness laser projector that's like a rebel whisperer for chaotic spaces, delivering 5,000 ANSI lumens of crisp, full HD glory that punches through ambient light like it's nothing. No more dim disappointments. This bad boy boasts a laser phosphor light source lasting up to 30,000 hours, ditching lamp replacements for good. Feel the thrill of effortless setup with HV Keystone, 4-corner adjustment, and 360-degree projection. Twist it into portrait mode for signage or zoom 1.6 times optically to fit any room. Remember Sarah, the harried event planner whose last-minute venue had 0 straight lines? She fired up the LS741HD, tweaked those corners in seconds, and watched her 100-inch screen bloom vibrant and even, saving the night with 0 sweat. It's that intuitive rush, colors popping via SuperColor tech, pulling you into every slide like a magnetic story. And hey, for golf fanatics, its golf mode turns your wall into a virtual fairway, lifelike swings that feel eerily real. Stick around, I've got a bonus tip on land control that turns remote tweaks into your secret superpower. Who's ready to feel that empowered click?
Now lean in. The real magic of the ViewSonic LS741HD hits when efficiency surges and focus sharpens, turning scattered sessions into seamless triumphs. That 5,000 lumen punch keeps images razor sharp in lit boardrooms, boosting your performance without the lights-off ritual that kills vibes. Imagine wrapping presentations faster, nailing those virtual course drives in golf mode without lag, all while 24/7 operation hums reliably, no burnout from downtime. Thousands are buzzing. A Pro AV expert raved, "This laser beast solves placement puzzles with Keystone wizardry, peace of mind in every install." Tech influencer Alex chimed in, "I couldn't believe how the LS741HD's instant-on laser transformed my multi-purpose space. It's a workhorse that just works." An industry analyst nailed it. ViewSonic's nailed low-maintenance laser at this brightness. Smart fleets are upgrading yesterday. And users? One church tech lead shared, "Flawless under stage lights. Our sermons pop now." Another simulator builder grinned, "Geometry tweaks filled my screen perfectly. Game on." See why it's the flexible install darling for boardrooms, halls, and retail? Which LS741HD feature, maybe that corner correction or endless laser life, would rescue your setup? Comment below and spill. Your story might spark someone's aha. It's that subtle thrill of control, like finally owning the room's glow.
Limited spots in the upgrade wave. Join the thousands who've ditched dim drama with ViewSonic LS741HD's unbeatable laser reliability and bright as day 1080p edge. Don't let another faded slide steal your spotlight. Snag yours now before stock dims. Click through for an exclusive setup hack that unlocks even smoother land control, making pros jealous. If you're battling bright room blues or setup snarls, this levels up your game fast. Comment yes if you're in, then dive in and ignite your space today.